Hi guys! So for today, gumawa na naman tayo ng overnight oats. So paano nga ba gumawa ng overnight oats? So first, kailangan mo ng rolled oats and Greek yogurt. Ito na yung binili kong brand kasi mas mura siya. And nakahanap din ako ng 94 pesos, apat na yogurt. And this unsweetened almond milk is 104 pesos. Isama na rin natin itong blueberries and raspberries na gusto kong itry, medyo pricey nga lang. So ilalabas na natin itong ready kong overnight oats. Then, inopen ko na din itong aking in-order sa TikTok shop na mixed nuts and chia seeds. I prefer my overnight oats with chia seeds and mixed nuts. Nuts can add protein sa ating overnight oats. So, ito, prepared na ang ating strawberry, banana, na later ko na i-open para hindi mangitim. And then, itong blueberries na gusto ko namang itry and itong raspberries. To start off, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of chia seeds dun sa prepared overnight oats. Pag too much yung ilagay nating chia seeds, baka tayo mag-diarrhea at mag-bloat. Chia seeds can help improve your digestion and heart health. After that, in-add ko na itong mixed nuts. I preferred na ganitong nuts para crunchy siya. But if you prefer coated nuts, then you can do that as well. This is my personal preference. And then after that, we're going to put Greek yogurt. Saka ko nilalagay ang yogurt kapag kakainin ko na ang aking overnight oats. Then lastly, I added the fruits. I want to try this raspberry and blueberry. May nilagay din akong strawberry and banana. So yeah, later ko na nga siya nilagay para di mag-itim. And that's it! Ready to eat na siya! Nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo dagdagan pa ng fruits, so that's it. Pagkaubos, gagawa ulit tayo ng bago. To start, I added 1 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of almond milk. Tapos, lalagay na natin ang 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and fridge it overnight.